Hey, there are markers and paper on the easel if you'd like to draw a picture too.
I think I will. Now, whose face should I draw? Oh, I know. All done.
Another leaf, please.
Another leaf!
More leaves coming right up!
It's a catastrophe! That's no fun.
You actually think you're the Buzz Lightyear?
Oh, all this time I thought it was an act. Hey, guys, look! It's the real Buzz Lightyear!
You're mocking me, aren't you?
Oh, no. Buzz, look, an alien! Where? I am Mrs. Nesbit.
No, worse. It'll go right to your thighs.
My thighs?
And then you blow up.
Dorothy, this is how you catch a
Bomb?
I am Mrs. Nesbit.
Is this the part where we start kicking?
No, SpongeBob, that's a chorus line.
Kicking? Oh, I want to do some kicking.
Musi nobody that milk. 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 Milk.
Now you're gonna pay for those crimes, Pinhead!
Andy, stand back. I'm warning ya. okay? I warned ya!
Did you win? Hi, SpongeBob.
Bonita, pussy, mon bede, bonita, pussy, mon bede, bon, I'm a sleeping over
Home at last! Barney, you think of everything, just like in the storybook.
Oh, shucks.
Barney, I'm getting cold.
Getting cold? Oh, I can take care of that. Watch this. Oh, here we go. The old Indian stick trick. Here we go.
Home at last! Barney, you think of everything, just like in the storybook.
Oh, shucks.
Barney, I'm getting cold.
Getting cold? Oh, I can take care of that. Watch this. Oh, here we go. The old Indian stick trick. Here we go.
Kenan, it says even in the microwave, it takes 2 hours. I got the 2 hours. I know exactly what I'll do. Can I hold it? Yeah. I'll get to. Okay. Yeah. Hey, that ought to speed things up. Exactly what I'll do. Can I hold it? Yeah. I'll get to. Okay. Yeah. Hey, that ought to speed things up. Yeah.
Ready? Hi! Ta-da!
Hey, Kermit, hey, where's that motorcycle? Well, what motorcycle? Well, you know, the one that Piggy used to get around on. Gee, I don't know.
Down that same old street, I gotta find a new place where the kids are hip. Sing it, boys! The boys and me are getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know us and they leave us alone. Like we're around, I get around, down to town. I know you will pay. I get around, I get around, I get around. We always take our bikes and we've never been beat, and we never yet miss with the girls that we meet.
Oh, yes!
None of the guys so steady, cause it wouldn't be right to leave your best girl home on a Saturday night.
I get around,
round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around. Get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around.
sing around.
What do you think of pigs on bikes? I never have liked road hogs. Road hogs.
What the?
Hey, Squidward! Still riding to work on a machine, I see.
Don't say anything, Squidward. Remember your karma. What? Ah! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Oh!
Holy shit, shit, go.
Fuck you, motherfucker!
Ladies and gentlemen, I will now tap dance on vanilla tapioca. Oh, sweet. Yeah. And nickel-plated
Bombs?
barefoot. 2, 3, and yep. Ow! 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 Ow!
I have worked for Mr. Krabs for many years and always thought he was a great boss.
You see? A great boss!
I now realize that he's a great big jerk! I deserve that manager's job! But you didn't give it to me, because you say I'm a kid! Well, I am 100% there! I think I made my point.
Thank you, Dorothy. Now, let's ask a baby. Baby? Baby, hello? How do you catch a
Bomb?
Thank you, baby.
Okay, that's perfect, everybody. Bubble Bowl, here we come. Flag twirlers, really spin those things. Okay, turn. Flag twirlers, let's go. I want to see some spinning. Flag twirlers, let's move. Come on,
Day 3.
Hey, what do you got there, Peter?
Rice cakes? Never had one, but somebody told me this is a really good way to start your diet. Who could think of such a horrible thing?
Huh?
They're beautiful.
Maybe we should have picked a better superpower for you, Patrick.